Welcome back to another exploration of African wisdom. Today we conclude this series by exploring one of life's deepest mysteries, renewal. Why do endings occur? Why do we experience periods of transformation and change? And why did our ancestors understand rebirth as essential to spiritual growth? One of the greatest fears many people have is change. People fear endings. They fear uncertainty. They fear letting go. Yet if we observe nature carefully, we discover something remarkable. Everything changes. The seasons change. The moon changes. Trees shed leaves and grow them again. Day becomes night and night becomes day. Nothing remains exactly the same. Our ancestors recognized that change is not an interruption of life. Change is part of life itself. In Igbo cosmology, existence moves through cycles. Birth, growth, maturity, transition, renewal. Communities understood that every stage of life carries lessons and responsibilities. The ending of one season creates the possibility of another. A child becomes an adult. An apprentice becomes a teacher. An experience becomes wisdom. Transformation is continuous. The person you were 10 years ago is not exactly the person you are today. Life itself is a process of becoming. Now let us move into ancient Kemet. The ancient Egyptians carefully observed cycles of renewal throughout nature. Every sunrise represented new beginnings. The Nile's flooding brought renewal to the land. The changing heavens demonstrated continuity and transformation. The lesson was profound. Renewal is woven into the fabric of existence. Creation continually regenerates itself. This understanding offers tremendous comfort. Many people experience difficult seasons and assume everything is ending. But African wisdom invites a different perspective. Perhaps something is not ending. Perhaps something is transforming. A seed disappears into the earth, yet it becomes a tree. Caterpillars disappear into cocoons, yet they emerge transformed. Likewise, human beings often experience periods of confusion, uncertainty, and discomfort. Old beliefs fall away. Old identities no longer fit. Old directions lose meaning. These moments can feel frightening, yet they are often the beginning of renewal. Spiritual rebirth does not always happen once. It happens repeatedly. Every lesson learned creates renewal. Every act of forgiveness creates renewal. Every moment of awareness creates renewal. Every courageous decision creates renewal. The ancestors understood something beautiful. You are never completely finished becoming. There is always more wisdom to learn, more compassion to develop, more understanding to cultivate. Divine order teaches that life is not a straight line. It moves through cycles of death and renewal, endings and beginnings, release and growth. The person you are today is not the final version of yourself. You are still unfolding, still learning, still transforming, still becoming. And perhaps that is one of the greatest gifts of existence. No matter how difficult the season may be, renewal remains possible. The sun rises again. The earth becomes fertile again. And the human spirit can begin again. If this series has inspired you, like this video, comment your biggest lesson about divine order, and share this wisdom so more people can reconnect with the profound teachings of African spirituality. And remember, every season of life carries its own wisdom, and every ending can become a new beginning.